Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story, and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today we're taking a closer look at the Dell Inspiron 15 3530. A practical laptop designed for office users, students, and especially anyone who spends hours working with spreadsheets. With a Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a massive 1 TB SSD. This laptop positions itself as a reliable productivity machine, at a very competitive price point of around $820. At first glance, the Inspiron 15 3530 follows the familiar design language that Dell has used for years in the Inspiron lineup. The laptop keeps things simple and functional rather than flashy, which actually works well for professional environments like offices, classrooms, or home workspaces. The entire chassis comes in a clean silver finish, giving the device a professional and minimalist look. On the lid, you'll find the classic Dell logo placed right in the center, while the matte surface helps reduce fingerprints and keeps the laptop looking neat, even after long hours of use. Along the back near the hinge area, Dell placed a long ventilation strip that directs hot air upward toward the display. This cooling layout is commonly seen in many office laptops, because it helps optimize internal space while still maintaining good airflow. Speaking of the hinge, the laptop uses a traditional dual hinge design. The screen feels stable during normal use, although if you type aggressively or adjust the display quickly, you might notice a slight wobble. Another thing to note is that the laptop cannot be opened with one hand, mainly because the hinge tension is fairly strong and the base is relatively light. But once the laptop is open, you'll quickly notice one of its biggest advantages: the full-size keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad. For anyone working in accounting, finance, or data entry, the numpad is an absolute must-have. Dell clearly understands this audience. The numeric keypad includes built-in symbols for calculations like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, along with a convenient shortcut for quickly launching the Windows Calculator app. These small design choices make a huge difference for people who regularly work with Microsoft Excel or financial data. They help speed up number input and improve overall workflow efficiency. Another thoughtful detail is the power button, located in the top right corner of the keyboard. Dell intentionally designed it with a firmer click and a different tactile response compared to the other keys. This helps prevent accidental shutdowns when you're typing quickly. Around the numeric keypad, during typing tests, the keyboard offers moderate key travel and decent feedback, making it comfortable for long typing sessions. One thing to mention is that when you lift the laptop and type at the same time, you might notice a bit of chassis vibration. However, when the laptop sits flat on a desk, the typing experience is stable and perfectly usable. A great bonus feature for office environments is that the keyboard is spill-resistant. For users who often drink coffee or tea while working, this adds an extra layer of protection against accidental spills. Moving on to the touchpad, the Inspiron 15 3530 includes a fairly large trackpad with a smooth surface and responsive gestures. Scrolling, swiping, and multi-touch controls work smoothly on Windows, making it perfectly usable even without an external mouse. Now let's talk about the display. The laptop features a 15.6-inch IPS display with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. This is one of the most common configurations for office laptops, and it provides plenty of screen space for productivity tasks like editing documents, managing spreadsheets, or browsing multiple tabs. The display also includes an anti-glare coating, which helps reduce reflections when working under office lighting or near windows. However, brightness isn't particularly high, so outdoor usage or very bright environments may make the screen appear slightly dim. For indoor office work though, it performs perfectly fine. Above the screen, you'll find the built-in webcam, positioned in the traditional location on the top bezel. The camera quality is sufficient for video calls, online meetings, and virtual classes, although the laptop does not include a physical webcam privacy shutter. Audio performance is fairly basic. The speakers are loud enough for casual activities, like watching videos or listening to music, but they're clearly designed more for practical use rather than immersive entertainment. Under the hood, the Inspiron 15 3530 packs a solid configuration for its price. It runs on the Intel Core i7-1355U processor, a 10-core, 12-thread chip capable of boosting up to 5.0 GHz. This processor is designed for efficiency, balancing strong performance with lower power consumption. The laptop comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 2666 MHz, installed as two 8 GB modules, which means users still have upgrade flexibility. Storage is handled by a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, providing plenty of room for documents, files, and long-term projects. Graphics are powered by Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, which is sufficient for everyday productivity tasks and even some light creative work like basic photo editing or simple 2D design. In real-world usage, the laptop handles Word, Excel, web browsing, online meetings, and multitasking smoothly. With 16 GB of RAM, opening many browser tabs at once doesn't significantly slow things down. As for gaming, this isn't really a gaming laptop. However, lighter titles like League of Legends can still run at around 60 frames per second on moderate settings. Battery life is powered by a 4-cell 54 watt-hour battery, which delivers around 5 to 6 hours of usage during typical office tasks, such as browsing, document editing, and spreadsheet work at about 60–70% brightness. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 15 3530 stands out as a dependable productivity laptop. With its large screen, full numeric keypad, strong Core i7 performance, and spacious 1 TB storage, it's an excellent choice for office workers, students, and especially anyone who spends their day inside spreadsheets.